Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sheridan. Please make sure before we get started you take the time to subscribe to my channel. That way you can support me and you get to see more of this goodness, and also turn on post notifications so that you never miss any of my brand new videos. For today's video, I wanted to do a chit chat, get ready with me. We are going to a Christmas tree farm as a family today. I would not normally be this extra, but I did want to sit down and make this video. And then I also found out we are taking a family photo, so it worked out in my favor. If you'd like to hang out and get ready together, you know, you can watch this while you're doing your own makeup or at the gym or whatever you want to do. If you would like to hang out and get ready with me, then stay tuned. All right, we're doing this. I've got my coffee. Actually, it'd help if I turned on my backlights. Okay, now I'm ready. Oh yes. I knew I was gonna film this morning before, you know, for the festivities. And okay, this primer is not having it with me. Yeah, and I figured it's actually been a little while since I filmed just a casual chit chat. Get ready with me. Yeah, so here we are. That's what we're doing. Okay, I have so much to fill you in on in my life. Rub in the primer. I'm not really gonna tell you guys what I'm doing, like most get ready with me's, but if you do have any questions or you'd like me to do an actual like straight up tutorial on whatever look I create, because I really have no idea what I'm gonna do right now, then let me know and I will do so. So, 'tis the season, guys. 'Tis the season. Wild how quickly it has come upon us, and I think no matter what holidays you celebrate, it just brings people together. It has such a warm and generous like feeling and energy, and it's so contagious. I love it. My family and I celebrate Christmas, and we do partake in gifting, making like a small dent. I've only made what is that? I've only made a small dent in my Christmas shopping. Really only one person actually. My sister. If you're watching this, I'll never tell you. And it's hard because like being a college student, you know, you only have like so much extra wiggle room in your budget with finances and everything. It's like I love them and I want to give them the world, but I can only give them so much. It does make me really exciting. I think one of my love languages, if you're not familiar with like the 5 love languages, I highly suggest you look it up. One of my love languages I think is through gifting, because I put a lot of emphasis and effort like in my gifts with people. Yeah, there's something just so satisfying about getting someone just the right thing, and like it's meaningful and they know, and it like represents your relationship. It's like, let's see. Shows on Netflix I'm currently watching. The sitcom called Schitt's Creek. Oh my god, it's hilarious. Especially for me, because I grew up in a super small little farm town, much like the one on the show. Another really good one that I'm done watching is Cable Girls. If you haven't watched that, ooh, you need to. You need to. It's about women like in the 20s and 30s, kind of like navigating entering the workforce and their rights and feminism, and it also has a beautiful love story with it. Of course, I'm a sucker for that. Tuna, I need the sass to come down. Okay, at like an 8. I want us to be around a 4, please. Can you hear him in the background? Tuna, I'm not even kidding. You better not poop on that rug, Tuna. So I'm coming up on the last season of Schitt's Creek. So if any of you guys have any good Netflix shows, tell me what you're watching, please. I tend to go for more like lighthearted things. I also really like political pieces. So let me know. If you guys have cats, you know, like when they get an attitude. Swinchies have an attitude. What else do I have to tell you guys? Oh, I need to put chapstick on. It's the first order of business. Lips have been getting like so dry lately. It's like absurd. Like it's one thing for them to be dry, but I also feel like they've been shedding like a snake. Like it's so gross. I have this little lip scrub I've been using, and it literally like exfoliates all the dead surface skin right off. But ooh, I didn't do that. I don't know what. I don't know what would be happening. So let's talk school. Let me update you on that. I have about 3 weeks left of my last semester, and my fellow college students, can I get a hey? Because, oh my goodness, this is exciting. Like, after this, it's like you're at the point in the semester where you're just so burnt out. I really genuinely do like care about the majority of my classes. I'm pretty invested in them. A select few, they are, you know, testing me. The Lord is testing me with these classes. I'm ready to get my projects done and get out of there. I knew I was going to the Christmas tree farm with the fam to pick out the tree, and of course I was like, oh, I'm gonna be so extra. No, I would not normally like put all this makeup on just to go to a tree farm, but I wanted to film this get ready with you guys, and I also was just informed, which makes things even better, that we're doing like a little family photo today. So would you look at that? Look at me being ready already. Got a couple final papers to write and a couple projects and then some finals on the last week, and then I'm good. It'll be so nice. I don't even know like what to do with myself over this break. I know I'm just gonna be filming like a ton for you guys. It's been a minute since I've done like a pink eye. I used to wear a warm like berry or pink eye or like mauves like all the time. Now they're back. I think I just like did it so much, probably like my freshman year of college, that I kind of like got sick of it. That was literally all I would wear like almost every day. So I need to start playing. I know it's like a big trend now, and like especially with all the really cool palettes that are coming out for it. So I think my favorite like warm pinks and like mauve tone palette so far that's come out recently is the one that Chris and Dominique came out with. The berries and cream palette looks so pretty. I actually really want to try it. Keep calm, honey, I'ma stick around for more than a minute. Katy Perry's in my head this morning. I got this new creamer. It is coconut. Let me tell you. And it's non-dairy, so girls like me can drink it and be happy. I can have dairy, but like if I just have it too much, it really does upset my stomach. So we don't need to get into all that. I don't know what it is, like the way I line my eye, this eye, somehow I always get liner like in my waterline. It's a good question. Black Friday, did any of you guys get like amazing deals on things you wanted or things you didn't know you needed in your life, but then you saw the sale and you were like, yeah. It's kind of how I shop, you know? I let the items speak to me. Not the most healthy situation for my bank account. I'm so bummed. I should have checked sooner. Like, I figured Lily Lashes was gonna have a sale. I didn't know was that like my two favorite styles, the Vegas lash, which for some reason I thought she discontinued because when I tried to pick it up last time, it wasn't even on the site. But the Vegas lash and her So Extra Mykonos lash, like two of my really like ride or dies that I haven't picked up in a minute, were on sale for like $4.95, and of course they were sold out by the time I stumbled upon this news. That was kind of sad. I hope she actually restocks the Vegas lash itself. I hope that's not why it was on sale, because it's being discontinued. Like, I really actually love that lash, so I'm really hopeful. It's like super long and thick and like piecey, but it doesn't have too much curl to it, so it's just like so fluttery, and it still shows like all of your eyeshadow. Ooh, it just gets me going. The coffee is like hitting me, and you guys are getting to witness it. I was able to get this one thing. I'm not gonna say what it is yet because I want to like make the video and not give too much away, but I am gonna like make a video of me using this product to see how I feel about it, if it really works, etc, etc. Because if it does, I need to let you guys in on the goodness, okay? I don't know what's really happening with my bun. It like makes me feel kind of like a, I don't know, like it's not at the top of my head and it's not low. It's a very strange situation going on. But let me know what you guys got on Black Friday, please. Let me live through you. Let me live through you. Yes. Lashes change everything in my life for the better. If I ever forget who I am, I just put on a pair of lashes. Lately, I've just been into really doing like a really thin like line of liner on the top. Just enough to like slightly outline my eye and then give the lash band somewhere to hide. And I feel like it's been really like adding to the way my like eyeshadow looks, and it doesn't take over my eye as much. My lashes are on. I've been mixing two foundations together lately. I don't know if I even like the way they wear, but I like the way the color comes out. I don't know how I feel about it. Wow, I look so cute. Ooh, that's another thing. I wanted to tell you guys how much I appreciate you like reaching out to me. Oh my gosh. So many of you have like DM'd me, hey girl, like, you know, and said hi and made connections and talked about things that like I've been talking about in my videos, and we actually have like great conversations about it, and it's like, that makes me so happy. Like I can't like just realizing the connections that I'm forming with you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so fulfilling, and it just like makes my heart so happy. This is the Laura Mercier translucent glow powder, and oh my gosh, I can't tell you guys how obsessed I am with this. I'm using it lately kind of like everywhere on my face. But it really does give you that glow from within rather than like chunky highlight like everywhere. And it's so nice because like in certain places like your cheeks, like you want to have that glow but not that like shine, I guess. Time for the under eyes. I really need to restock on setting spray. Can't decide if I want to like just go for the classic Fix Plus. Like I actually really love that. I think it's such a nice product and the way it sprays out, or if I want to try something new. Like last time I did try the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I liked it, but I felt like, I don't know, I feel like it was so fine when it came out that it like, I had to use a lot of it to like get my face wet, and I don't know how to say that in the right way without it sounding weird, but I'm really excited kind of moving into this holiday season for the sole purpose of it gives us that time period to kind of reflect on our year. And I can honestly say like this year I have felt myself grow so much, like it's crazy just in this year, and it's been a lot more full of intent and something that like I've consciously been working towards with goals and in life in general. So I'm really excited to kind of take that time and reflect and see like, where am I going next and what are my new goals and like this and that. So it's really cool. And in January I get to make a brand new vision board, so that's exciting. It's hard. I don't know how I'm gonna beat the one I made this year. Is like pretty great. But it's really necessary, you know, to like take that time and revamp and add in new and improved, and kind of like, even if a lot of your goals are the same as last year, kind of the new influences and directions that you're taking on them. If I had to choose between coffee and highlight, I honestly don't know what I would do. Can you tell I love this lip liner? I think this is one of the first lip liners I ever bought. This is Strip Down from MAC. So close to being done. Not worn this lipstick in a while. Speaking of Kylie, are you guys excited that she's now going to be in Ulta? Or she is in Ulta now. Just the lipsticks anyway. I think it's great. Because I feel like a lot of people really haven't tried her for, like, I know she's viral, but I feel like she's viral for like makeup junkies, people who just love buying makeup like me to just try it out. For those of you who are maybe, you know, more thoughtful about how you spend your money with makeup, and like you want to know the products, you want to like them, it'll be so nice to just go in store and like swatch and see how they feel and look. I think I'm done with my face. Now what to do with this hair, I honestly have like no idea. None. Zero. Honestly, it's still it's still kind of curly. So I'm gonna try to brush it out and just see if that works, and I'm gonna change and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I went and added lower lash mascara. I realized I forgot to do that. And I also added a little bit of like a lighter lipstick, and like it's actually a cream lipstick because the one I had on was kind of drying. And I really like the way it just kind of like lightened things up and like made it more neutral. Let me zoom you out so you can see my full look. Ooh. And by look, I mean the girls. Just kidding, but seriously. So I actually decided to go, I consulted my family and they are wearing like black and gray, so I want to stick with the color scheme, and this is the most like winter-y kind of turtleneck top thing I had going on for me. So I put this on, and then I also decided with the turtleneck, my hair down was like too much going on and I wanted to let my face kind of be forward in like the center, like where your eye goes, rather than my hair. So I put it in a slick back, just in a pony. I thought about doing a bun, but I really don't have time, to be honest. I have to get going. But yeah, so this is the final look. I actually am feeling so pretty right now, just genuinely really pretty. I really love this. So thank you so much for hanging out with me and getting ready with me. I hope you guys had fun. It felt good to just chat and update you guys on some current happenings in the world of me. Yeah, once again, you know, if you aren't already subscribed, please make sure you support me by subscribing to my channel before you leave, and turn on post notifications with the little bell so that way you're always informed and you never miss any of my brand new videos. As always, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!